guys, it's 4:45 a.m. We're here at the Plata Gulch trailhead. We're gonna do the North Summer route. It's supposed to be about 9 miles. It's 4:45 a.m. Parking lot's already full. We pretty much got the last spot, but we got about an hour of hiking in the dark, and then we'll start filming from there. See you on the trail. All right, friends, we are about 1.8 miles into the trail on our way up to the Plata Peak. We're just still in the trees right now, kind of walking along the river. It's a very peaceful walk. Looks like we still got quite a bit of ways till we get out of tree line fully, but this hike so far is no joke. It's just pretty much straight up, and I can see the summit from the trail right now, and it doesn't look like it's going to slow down at all. So we're in for a nice adventure today. We're about 2.5 miles into the trail so far. Went through a couple of switchbacks. Trees are starting to thin out a little bit. Nice and steady elevation gain. Views are pretty spectacular so far. We haven't even gotten above tree line yet. This is a pretty well maintained trail. As you can see, we got some nicely done log steps here. Gotta love that. Look at all those switchbacks.
That's amazing.
We've been on the trail for 1 hour and 45 minutes, and lots of switchbacks, lots of elevation gain so far, and we're already out of tree line. It's a very pretty hike. Seems like it kind of splits up into viewing segments. You hike for about 30 minutes, get some extraordinary views, hike for another 30 minutes, then get some more dope views. That's how I like it. That's how it should be. Colorado nature, 14ers. See the ridge now. There's already some people up there. Actually, quite a few people ahead of us. Overall though, so far lots of solitude on this trail. Everyone's kind of spread out. That, and there's limited parking at the trailhead. But I'm figuring we have about 1.5 miles to go, with some gnarly elevation gain. We're just making our way up to the ridge, almost there. Someone just came down and assured us that the views are much better up there. That's exciting.
The views are good here.
Because the views are really good here. And just like that, guys, Emily takes the lead. All right, guys, we're creeping up on the ridge. Can't wait to see this. I think we got about a mile left in the trail to go, but we're at the point now where you just try and spot the cairns and just keep going up till you hit the summit. So we're here at the final push. As you can see, not too much further to go, but this is the part where usually you're just hopping a lot of boulders. So I'm gonna change GoPro mounts, change batteries, and then we're gonna shoot on up there. I think we're about 400 feet away from the summit. Just got to keep huffing and puffing, huffing and puffing. There it is, guys. Summit is in sight. Almost there. All right, guys, here we are. Summit of La Plata Peak.
Yay! You made
Whew.
it.
All right, we've been hanging out here at the summit of La Plata Peak for about 30 minutes now, and we're gonna make our way back down. We got up here in just under 4 hours. We're not the fastest hikers, but I don't think we're the slowest either. Mileage wise, from the North Summer route, we clocked it at 4.7 miles. And my first thoughts after spending some time up here, this is my 614er, and this is the best views that I've seen so far on a 14,000 plus foot peak. So with that being said, if you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button. I make new videos and upload them once a week or more. But until the next adventure, catch y'all around.